Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to solve your channel cannot be accepted for monetization and if you have repetitive and use content on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you guys how to solve this out to get monetized again. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss out my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into your YouTube channel, after which you click on what? Monetization. Once you're there, you're actually going to see your channel cannot be monetized. The reason that you have repetitive and reuse content on your YouTube channel. For you to solve this out, you simply need to delete some of your YouTube videos. So for the moment, you can actually see I have 256 videos on my YouTube channel. So I'll simply need to delete. After that, I'm going to leave some of my videos which my voice is on it. So as you can see. So I'm going to go back to my YouTube dashboard and I'll click on what content. So I'll start by deleting. So all the videos with less views, I'm going to delete. So after deleting most of my videos, that is, I'm now left with 30 videos. I'm going to click on what? Monetization. After which, I will simply click on what? Reapply. So guys, I'm just applying. So guys, I will need to wait for my channel to be reviewed. So this might take a month. So guys, after waiting for some days, YouTube actually monetized my channel. So after reviewing my channel, so that's it. I'm now monetized again. So I can now place ads on my YouTube videos. So that's it. So if you have the same issue, you make sure you do the same thing. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.